Hi everyone, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. This is your favorite tech savvy, Okemute for the NS. So in today's video, we're going to be looking at how to start using Capcut on your laptop. So if you're someone who has a laptop and you've not tried using Capcut, this video is going to help you to get started. But before we dive in, I need you to subscribe to this channel if you are new here. Like this video so that YouTube will get straight to more persons, and also click on the notification bell so you'll be alert whenever I drop a video on this channel. And if you're my returning subscriber, I want to say thank you very much for returning back to this channel. It's been a long time. So let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is to go to your browser and you're going to type capcut.com, and then you go to tools and you're going to see online video editor. You see online photo editor, video editor for desktop, just in case you want to install it, you want to download it to your device. Okay, so right here I clicked on this online video editor. Okay, then it brought me to this particular place you're seeing now. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is I'm going to come here and say open Capcut. I make a video with smart features, text to speech, and all of that. So I'm going to say open Capcut. So here's what I have on my screen, as you can see. So right now at the moment I do not have any videos uploaded here that I can work with, so I will have to look for some videos from my device to work with. Now I need you to understand that you might not be able to open this particular work area on certain laptops that have different size screen, because I've tried it on my other laptop that the screen is not as wide as this and it didn't work. It told me my screen is not supported and all of that. So you will have to, in case you encounter such problem, just so that you either need to change your laptop or use another laptop entirely to experiment what I'm showing to you right now. So let's get started. So I'm just going to click on the upload to add a new video to my device. So I have a video I would love to use for this particular experiment. So I'm going to head over to my desktop. So this is the video I'll be using. So I'm going to say open, and then it will start uploading my video here. So let's see. So as you can see, my video is uploading and it's showing me the percentage of upload. So I need you to understand while this file is uploading that you can as well download this particular Capcut to your laptop and install it like the normal way you install every other software like Photoshop, CorelDRAW, and so on, and download it and install it the same way. Alright, so if you haven't subscribed to this channel while you're watching this video, please make sure you subscribe. Use that subscribe button now and turn on notifications so you'll be at alert whenever I drop a video on this channel. Okay, subscribe. So let's see how this is going. So while our file is uploading, let me quickly take you through the work phase, that's the dashboard, and show you some of the things that you see here, how it works and how you can utilize them to your videos to get great results. So right here you see my media. This is where you upload your files that you want to work with, your pictures, your video that you want to work. This is where you upload all of them too, so you can start using them. And then you see for upload from phone, you want to upload from your phone, you want to upload, you can just scan your camera and then this thing will upload from your phone. Okay, so you can either upload directly from your devices or you record your screen. Okay, you can see here now, you can record your screen, you can record the webcam, or just record your tab, or record the entire screen and record audio. You can see it here. Then the next one is where you have your templates. These templates are already built or designed video content that you can just upload. Just use the template, and then all you need is to change the write-up, maybe change the videos, change the pictures, and you can just export and you are good to go. These are some of them here, as you can see. So the next one is, you see your stock videos. These ones are videos that they already have here for you that you can use as maybe your background video or just anything at all. You can see them here. You see intro and ending videos, you see them here. They are all free. Some of them are free while some are not free. You see for background cover and all of that. So the next one here is photos. This is where you upload. This is where you can get your photos from if you want to use them maybe for a particular purpose and all of that. You can search photos, just put in your specific keywords and you get whatever it is you want. And then you see your audio. This is where you upload audios to, or this is where you can get free audio that you can use as audio background for your videos. Okay, now me personally, when I'm working on my videos to upload on YouTube or on TikTok and any other platforms, I love it when a particular music is playing at the background. Okay, a very faint instrumental is playing at the background. It makes your content to be live instead of just recording a video and posting it like that. So that's the essence of this audio you're seeing here. And you can as well still get what we call sound effect. Sound effect, like when you watch a particular video and you see something like you hear something like a bell ring, or you hear somebody shout wow when you mention something in a video, and then another voice is shouting wow. Or maybe you are trying to convey a message, and while that particular message is being conveyed in form of a text, there is something like a typewriter making a noise, really indicating that you're typing this thing. So these are some of the effects that you're going to find here. And then let's go to our test. On that test, you'll be able to add text to your videos. So it's either you manually upload your video, your text to your videos, or you use the what we call text captions and all of that. So you can see here, under here you can just say add heading, and then you start typing the write-up you want on your videos yourself. Then you have the ones for captions. This caption helps you to it recognizes the speech in your videos and turn them into text for you, just the same way you have it on your mobile device. Okay, that's how it works as well. So there are other features here that we would love to explore. We have the transcript, we have stickers, we have effects, we have transitions, that's animation between one video and the other, or on a particular video, and so on. Then these stickers are for like those emojis that you want to be appearing on your videos, maybe something like a subscribe button or an arrow showing people the place that you pointed at, or the place that you clicked on while trying to show them something in your videos and all of that. And then you have effect. Okay, I think I mentioned effect. Effect and transition are almost the same thing. Effect would be you trying to make a particular part of your video shining, or have a particular kind of animation and all of that, while transition is between one video and the other. In case maybe you cut a video, or you try to add different videos together, to pair them together, that's where this transition comes to play. And then you have what we call the filters. Okay, these filters is what helps you to add or decide how your video should look like. Okay, the colors, how it's going to appear and all of that. So that's what this filter does. So with that, we're going to be exploring all of that. So please make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. So as you can see here on my screen, my video is being uploaded here, and it's just a 54 seconds video. So let me play this and let's see. Okay, so you can see my video is successfully uploaded. So the next thing we want to do is to probably maybe generate the caption, add some amazing things like your logo and all of that, add filters and so on and so forth. So let's say we are going to be adding text now. So right here, I want to generate a caption from this particular video. So how do I do that? I go over to where I have captions, and I'm going to click on these auto captions, and I'm going to say it's English, and I'll say generate. So right now it's generating my caption from this particular video that you're seeing on my screen right now. So I'm going to wait. Alright, so as you can see on my screen, my video caption has been generated automatically using the auto caption, and you can see the videos here. So in case there is any spelling that didn't come out very well, it's now my duty to edit them. So for example, you can see this one that says this is your favorite tech savvy. So this is supposed to be favorite savvy, and then the other one which says Okemute Fole Ernest. And then I said, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you some I said some of the skills that actually made me money in 2023. Okay, so anywhere you see that the write-ups are not correct, you have to correct them all by yourself. Okay, so Once you've done that, you might want to edit, see how the text could look better and all that. So you can click on these options you see at the side to maybe probably increase the size, maybe make it bold. You want to add a background, color, yeah, like the one you're seeing now. You want to add a background, and then you want to add shadow to it if peradventure. So this is how to get started with it. Then you see option for, there are a lot of options in case you want to interlive, you want to make it to be on the line, you can do that. You want to centralize, you want to make everything to be in capital letters, you can also do that as well. So you can see here, this is capital letter. So let's say for example I just want a sentence case, and this is it. So I'm going to take out the background. I usually don't like backgrounds in my work, so I'll just take out the background and then leave out the shadow. So the next thing is to go to preset. Let's see some of the text animation or the way the text are going to be arranged. So you see this one, I just downloaded this now and it's working very well. So it's your choice to decide what you want to do. Okay, so let me play this and see. So take note that whatever changes you're making to one particular text is going to affect every text that you have. It's going to take effect on all of them. All right, so that's how it works. So I'm just going to take it off. I don't need any of this. So I'm going to head over to, okay, let me try this out. Okay, so I'm going to head over to where I have my animation, and they're going to give us options. This is how the text is going to come in, how the text is going to go out. You get to select them here. So you see how it is. Let me play this one. So this is how it is. So if you've already added a caption, you already added animation in and out, how do you want it to flow in and all that. So that's what this animation does for you. So I'm trying to see, there's a particular style though. Let me just keep scrolling if I'm going to see something. So there are some features that I love when I'm using my smartphone device on Capcut that I haven't seen here. So I'm just trying to see if it's something I can get. So but then if I don't get it, maybe I'm going to make another video to show you how to get those particular features. But this is how to work with captions on your video. Now let's go to the video editing. Let's edit the video to look better, adjust the colors, make it look more beautiful, add a background audio that will be playing and all of that. So let's see how we can do that. Okay, so you see now I just increase the volume using this audio you're seeing here, and then you see option for, let's go to basic. Okay, under basic you see column adjustment. This is where you can increase the saturation of the video. You can see how it's looking. You can increase the saturation. You want your video to be in black and white. The temperature needs to be increased and all that. So most times when you see all these videos that they've edited that looks like it's in the 80s and all that, these are some of the features they used on them. Okay, so this is for hue, and then you see brightness, you see colors, you see effects. How sharp do you want the video to be? So you can see I'm trying to sharpen the video here, and then done and correctly is going to apply to all. So in case maybe you have more than one videos uploaded here on this project area and all that. Then you have speed. Should in case you want to increase the speed of this particular video, you can do that as well. So maybe from 1 point something you want to increase it to something, but then it's going to alter what you have, your text. So what I advise is, before you make sure that your caption is not yet generated before you do all of that. Okay, just have it the way it is before increasing your speed and then adding your caption. And then you see smart tools. Let's see, this one now is to remove background from our video. So in case you want to remove background from this video, you can just say auto remove, and it's going to remove background from this our video. So the video will no longer have a background, it will just be showing me, and then I can then decide to say, okay, I want to add background to this video by maybe changing the background to red, changing the background to green, or uploading a different image entirely. All right, so these are some of the tricks that you find out when you're using Capcut. So let's see, it's removing the background 23%. So there is no background on my video now. So the next thing you want to do is to probably add a background. So for example, I will say, okay, I want to change the background color from black that you're seeing now to maybe red. So I'll select a color to use from here. So you can see this is how you can change your background over time. And then not just that, you can use I think there used to be option for you to upload image that you want to use. So let's see. Okay, this is to blur your background, and then you see already used images that you can add here. So made backgrounds, I mean to say, that you can upload and use. So you can see here, you see how my video looks like now. So that's how to do all of this using Capcut on your desktop. So guys, please make sure you subscribe to this channel, all right, because in subsequent videos I'm going to be showing you some more tricks that you can do on Capcut using your laptop. Okay, so see you guys in my next video. Bye.